Hi, today I'm going to show you how to play I'll Never Forget You by Birdy. Okay, let's start with the first chord, it's C. Then it's C with bass E. So you play this note and from here. So again C, E, C on bass E, F, and G minor. These are the four chords you have through the whole verse. So it's C, C on bass E, F, and G minor. And again C, C on bass E, F, and G minor. The string pattern is the first two strings and the rest all together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to the chorus. It starts with the lyric and but I'll never forget. You can find the full version of this tutorial over guitarwind.com.